Are you torn between the Gaggia Classic Pro and the Rancilio Silvia? You've come to the right place! These machines are titans in the prosumer espresso world. Let's break down their key features and help you decide which one is right for you. Both the Gaggia Classic Pro and Rancilio Silvia are Italian-made, single-boiler espresso machines with commercial-grade components. Both require a manual skill known as temperature surfing, but they differ in several significant ways. First, let's look at their boilers. The Silvia boasts a brass boiler that holds roughly 12 ounces of water, while the Classic Pro's boiler is only about 3.5 ounces. This means Silvia offers stronger and longer-lasting steam power, perfect for those who want to froth milk for multiple drinks. Now, let's consider their dimensions. The Classic Pro has a narrower base, making it a better fit for smaller kitchens. It also comes with a 2-year warranty, while the Silvia only offers a 1-year warranty. Both machines require a separate grinder and lack a built-in PID. You'll need to practice your brewing techniques to master either machine. However, the Silvia provides better thermal stability and is more forgiving during back-to-back shots due to its larger boiler. When it comes to milk frothing, the Silvia again takes the lead. It maintains higher steam pressure, making it easier to create microfoam for lattes and cappuccinos. The Classic Pro's steam wand is slightly easier for beginners, thanks to its dual-hole tip. Cleaning and maintenance for both machines are almost identical. They both have removable tanks and use a 3-way solenoid for daily cleaning. However, the Classic Pro stands out with its larger aftermarket parts community, making replacements easier. In terms of energy efficiency, the Rancilio Silvia operates at 1100 watts, lower than the Classic Pro's 1370 watts. This gives it a slight edge in energy consumption. So, who should buy each machine? If you have limited counter space or appreciate a longer warranty, the Gaggia Classic Pro is your best bet. But if you want strong steam power and better thermal consistency, the Rancilio Silvia is the way to go. In summary, whether you choose the Gaggia Classic Pro or the Rancilio Silvia, you can expect excellent quality and the opportunity to craft amazing espresso. Make your choice based on your specific needs, footprint, warranty, steam capacity, or ease of use. To explore current prices, check the links provided. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more espresso machine comparisons and tips.